News. I'm Anil Thomas. Starting first up with the big news we are tracking at this point of hour. The Supreme Court has ordered the CBI investigation in the Sushant Singh Rajput case. The court has asked the Mumbai police to hand over all evidence collected so far in the case to the CBI. It added that the FIR registered at Patna was correct and that the Bihar government had the right to refer the Patna FIR lodged by the Sushant's father to CBI.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बड़ा स्पष्ट शब्दों में कह दिया है कि मुंबई पुलिस ने जो भी इन्वेस्टिगेशन किया उसका बड़ा लिमिटेड दायरा था, उसमें कोई इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं था। कोर्ट ने यह भी कह दिया है कि पटना पुलिस में एफआईआर करने की अब बिल्कुल जुरिस्डिक्शन था। कोर्ट ने यह भी कह दिया है कि बिहार सरकार सीबीआई को रेफर कर सकता था मामले को। लेकिन इन सब के बावजूद कोर्ट ने सबसे बड़ी बात यह कह दी है कि इस सीबीआई इन्वेस्टिगेशन को हम अपने कोर्ट का भी स्टैंप दे रहे हैं और कोर्ट की तरफ से भी कह रहे हैं कि ये सीबीआई से ही होनी चाहिए। और उसमें कोर्ट ने अपने तरफ से और भी ऐड कर दिया है कि कोई भी मामला जो सुशांत सिंह राजपूत से जुड़ा है, अगर कोई एफआईआर दर्ज होता है, वो एफआईआर दर्ज भी, वो इन्वेस्टिगेशन भी सीबीआई ही करेगी।
Bihar DGP Gupteshwar Pandey expressed happiness at the verdict, saying that the Apex Court's order has strengthened the trust people have in the court and has assured the nation that justice will be delivered in the Sushant Singh Rajput death case.
हमको अनुसंधान नहीं करने दिया जा रहा था और हमने अपने आईपीएस अफसर को भेजा, उसको कैदी की तरह रात में 12 बजे क्वारंटाइन दिया गया। उसी से लोगों को लग रहा था कि कोई न कोई गड़बड़ है। हम लोगों ने जो भी काम किया कानूनी रूप से, संवैधानिक रूप से सही काम किया। माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय ने इस पर अपनी मुहर लगा दी है। हम लोग इसमें आगे यही उम्मीद करते हैं कि लोगों को धीरज के साथ इंतजार करना चाहिए।
Sushant's sister has also tweeted saying that there we go, finally CBI for SSR. Thank you God, you have answered our prayers, but it is just the beginning, the first step towards the truth. Full faith on CBI. Congratulations to my extended family. So happy, first step towards victory and unbiased investigation. Well, for more on that story, Vikas Sathia, correspondent tracking the Apex Court for us, joining us this morning. Vikas, what are the reasons, this particular case, slipped from the hands of the Mumbai police or the Maharashtra state government and is now being handed over to the CBI? Do you feel primarily that not filing an FIR in this case, even almost after, roughly over 2 months there, the Mumbai police still not able to file a FIR as a big giveaway, where the Apex Court, stepping in and deciding this particular case needed to be handed over?
Exactly, Anil. This is the reason why Supreme Court said that the FIR registered in Bihar was correct. Supreme Court is of the opinion that since Mumbai police didn't register any FIR, it was only an accidental death report, and because of that there is no issue of jurisdiction arise. And whatever action taken by Bihar police regarding registration of an FIR or later recommending it to the CBI, those were valid, those steps were legal. In fact, when during the course of hearing, Supreme Court also raised some questions about the conduct of Maharashtra government and Mumbai police. Two issues were very crucial for this case. First is that Mumbai police didn't register an FIR, and later on when SP city of Patna reached Mumbai to investigate this matter, he was quarantined, and Supreme Court raised objection, and Supreme Court remarked that this kind of action will create suspicion, and it's a high profile case. Everybody has something to say, and to ensure that that justice is done, an impartial investigation is required. Apart from it, court also said that it will not be appropriate if two states investigate the same matter. So Supreme Court has already hinted that this investigation will be done by CBI, and it will continue the CBI investigation. Today, the biggest blow for Mumbai police was that they didn't register an FIR. If they had registered an FIR, then it will become an issue of jurisdiction. But since there was only an accidental death report case in this whole mysterious death of Sushant Rajput, the issue of jurisdiction wasn't arose before the Supreme Court, and court said that since the FIR has been registered by Patna police, it has an authority to recommend investigation to CBI.
Okay, also trying to put this into perspective. Now there has been a lot of hue and cry being created about this case, but put that into perspective for our viewers there. The ground for this case being referred to CBI is very clear, because there are no pending or pending investigations in either of the states that we are talking about. So the ground was very clear for this particular case. If at all the apex court found it valid, this particular case could move to the CBI.
Right, Anil. The issue is quite clear. If Mumbai police had registered an FIR, then this whole scenario would have been avoided. They didn't register an FIR, and in fact, Supreme Court said when the police officer from Patna reached Mumbai, you should have cooperated with them. Instead, he was quarantined for 2-3 days, and then Supreme Court said that for an impartial probe, this kind of action on the behalf of Maharashtra government has created a kind of suspicion among the people, and it's a high profile case. Only an impartial investigation by a third agency, by CBI, will be appropriate. So those hints already given by the Supreme Court. Today Supreme Court made it very clear that since there is no pending FIR in Mumbai, Maharashtra government cannot raise issue of jurisdiction at this point in time. So it's quite clear that CBI will continue its probe, and whatever evidence have been collected by the Mumbai police, or documents have been acquired by the Mumbai police, will have to be handed over to the CBI. In fact, court has also said that during the course of probe, if CBI it is free to do so. So free hand for CBI to investigate this matter. One particular thing we would like to know about, that whether Supreme Court has sought any kind of status report from the CBI, because this CBI investigation has been ordered by the Supreme Court. So whether Supreme Court will keep it pending for perusal of status report or not, it will be clear when the copy of judgment will come in public domain.
Okay, also you read through what his sister has tweeted. She's talking about first step towards victory and unbiased investigation. Somewhere deep down, is that the sense that you felt, when the counsel argued in court that, there was largely biased investigation that was on, which the court also prima facie has taken into account when it comes to this particular case being transferred?
Well, there was some apprehension in minds of the court as well. When court commented on the conduct of Mumbai police, what Maharashtra government did with the SP city of Patna when he reached Mumbai to investigate, court said that you should have cooperated all. Since this matter was pending before the Supreme Court, he should not have been treated like this. Another interesting point which was raised by the CBI as well as the Bihar government, that when Riya Chakrabarti initially, she herself said that a CBI investigation will bring out the truth. But when this matter has been referred to the CBI, now all sorts of arguments are being placed before the Supreme Court, that there is an issue of jurisdiction and there is enough investigation already pending in Mumbai. So the Bihar government and the CBI said that now Riya Chakrabarti has approached the Supreme Court and seeking transfer of FIR from Bihar to Mumbai, though she herself initially said that she wants a CBI investigation in this whole incident, and it will bring out the truth. So now what are the objections they have now, since the investigation has already been handed over to the CBI? Okay, so it was a clear case.
Okay, one quick word before I let you go on this particular issue that we are discussing. Looking at the CBI also giving a directions that any other FIRs registered in connection with the Sushant Singh Rajput case will also be investigated by the CBI. Is there any that you see at this point of time, any other FIRs that have been or is the court, has any FIR being brought to the notice of the court that the court had to make this kind of an observation there?
Well, Anil, so far there is no other FIR
Okay.
pending, but there may be some cases come before the CBI. So
Okay.
CBI is free to register a fresh FIR also, because what could have happened that once CBI files an FIR in a connected case, then again the issue of jurisdiction would have been raised before the Supreme Court. So today Supreme Court has made it very clear that any connected issue, any connected case with Sushant Rajput's death, that case will also be will be investigated by CBI, and CBI has all authority to register an FIR. If there are some issues of money trail, etc., then CBI is free to lodge a fresh FIR, and there will be no issue of jurisdiction will be raised by the Maharashtra government or the Mumbai police.
Okay, we'll leave it there. Thank you and appreciate you joining us this morning with those updates there from the Apex Court on that Sushant Singh Rajput case. Well, moving on, let's listen into what Sushant's cousin Neeraj's first reaction on this particular verdict of this case being transferred to the CBI.
परिवार की तरफ से आभार व्यक्त करते हैं उच्चतम न्यायालय का, करोड़ों लोगों का आभार व्यक्त करते हैं, तमाम चैनल्स का हम आभार व्यक्त करते हैं जिन लोगों ने इस मुहिम को यहां तक पहुंचाया, और अब आशा उम्मीद जगी हुई है कि सीबीआई जांच होगी तो निश्चित रूप से सुशांत को न्याय मिलेगा, ये तसल्ली हम लोगों को हो गया है।
Well, a quick update on the Sushant Singh Rajput case that took place on the evening of June 14th. This particular case has been making a lot of uproar when Sushant Singh Rajput, the actor, at the age of 34, was found dead in his apartment on June 14th. So this particular case now being handed over, taken from the Mumbai police and being handed over to the CBI. We'll have to wait and watch on how this particular case unfolds, because there have been many accusations being raised, many questions being raised with regards to the death. We'll have to wait and watch how this particular chapter unfolds as we wait for the truth to unfold. Has crossed 73%.